The first hour of the day, from your alarm to the front door.
That's the morning routine. We all have one.
Today, we practice it together. 100 simple, everyday sentences. Just listen and repeat after Lily. Let's go.
It's early in the morning.
It's early in the morning.
My alarm is ringing.
My alarm is ringing.
The room is still dark.
The room is still dark.
I don't want to get up.
I don't want to get up. 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
I press the snooze button.
I press the snooze button. My bed is so warm.
My bed is so warm. Is it morning already?
Is it morning already?
The alarm rings again.
The alarm rings again.
Okay, time to wake up.
Okay, time to wake up.
I rub my eyes.
I rub my eyes.
I open my eyes and stretch.
I open my eyes and stretch.
My body feels heavy.
My body feels heavy. I slowly sit up. I slowly sit up. The morning is very quiet.
The morning is very quiet.
I listen to the birds.
I listen to the birds.
It feels good to wake up slowly.
It feels good to wake up slowly.
I take a moment for myself.
I take a moment for myself. A new day begins.
A new day begins. I am awake now.
I am awake now.
Now let's get to the bathroom.
The bathroom light is bright.
The bathroom light is bright.
My face looks tired. My face looks tired.
I wash my face with water.
I wash my face with water.
It feels cold and fresh.
It feels cold and fresh. Now I am more awake. Now I am more awake. I put toothpaste on my brush.
I put toothpaste on my brush.
I brush my teeth well.
I brush my teeth well.
I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth.
My breath feels clean.
My breath feels clean. I step into the shower. I step into the shower. Warm water in the morning is the best. Warm water in the morning is the best. I wash my hair. I wash my hair. Do I have time for a long shower? Do I have time for a long shower? Not today. Not today. I get out and dry off. I get out and dry off. I fix my hair. I fix my hair. I put on some deodorant. I put on some deodorant. I feel so much better now. I feel so much better now. I turn off the bathroom light. I turn off the bathroom light. I feel fresh and ready. I feel fresh and ready.
Now let's find something to wear.
I open my closet. I open my closet. What should I wear today? What should I wear today? I look outside first. I look outside first.
The weather looks cloudy.
The weather looks cloudy.
It might rain later.
It might rain later.
I choose some warm clothes. I choose some warm clothes. I take a clean shirt. I take a clean shirt. My favorite shirt is blue. My favorite shirt is blue. I put on my trousers. I put on my trousers. The trousers fit well. The trousers fit well. I find 2 clean socks. I find 2 clean socks. I get dressed slowly today. I get dressed slowly today. I check my clothes in the mirror. I check my clothes in the mirror. Do these colors match? Do these colors match? I think I look nice. I think I look nice. I put on my watch. I put on my watch. My jacket is by the door. My jacket is by the door. Now I am fully dressed. Now I am fully dressed. I feel good today. I feel good today. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
Now breakfast and coffee.
I walk into the kitchen. I walk into the kitchen. The kitchen is warm and quiet. The kitchen is warm and quiet. I am very hungry now. I am very hungry now. I turn on the coffee machine. I turn on the coffee machine. The smell of coffee is amazing. The smell of coffee is amazing. My coffee is hot and strong. My coffee is hot and strong. I add a little milk. I add a little milk. I get some food from the fridge. I get some food from the fridge. I have cereal with milk. I have cereal with milk. The cereal is sweet. The cereal is sweet. I cut a banana on top. I cut a banana on top. We eat breakfast together. We eat breakfast together. The morning feels calm. The morning feels calm. I drink my coffee slowly. I drink my coffee slowly. Do you eat breakfast every day? Do you eat breakfast every day? Breakfast is important for me. Breakfast is important for me. I clean the table. I clean the table. I wash my cup. I wash my cup. That was a good breakfast. That was a good breakfast. Now I feel full and happy. Now I feel full and happy.
And finally, out the door.
It is almost time to go. It is almost time to go. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Oh, here they are. Oh, here they are. I find my keys on the table. I find my keys on the table. I put my phone in my pocket.
I put my phone in my pocket.
I grab my jacket.
I grab my jacket.
I check the weather one more time.
I check the weather one more time.
The sky looks gray today.
The sky looks gray today.
I take an umbrella just in case.
I take an umbrella just in case.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
My shoes are by the door.
My shoes are by the door.
I have everything now.
I have everything now.
I step outside.
I step outside.
The fresh air feels nice.
The fresh air feels nice.
It is a cool morning.
It is a cool morning. I close the door behind me.
I close the door behind me.
My day starts now.
My day starts now.
I walk down the street. I walked down the street.
Have a great morning. Have a great morning.
And that's your 100 sentences for today.
You gave your English some real time today. Well done.
Tell us in the comments what's the first thing you do in the morning. Write one sentence for us.
Want to practice again? Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
And the like helps other learners find us too.
Thanks for practicing with us today. See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.